Hi, to clear cache on the Samsung Galaxy A34, as a first step, we need to enter recovery mode. And for that, take your charging cable, plug it in the phone, and other end connect to your PC or laptop, and ignore any of notifications. Now we need to press and hold power button and volume down button so we'll see the power off menu. After that, select the option to restart. And once we won't be able to see the Samsung logo, we would need to hold power and volume up buttons. So let's try this out. I'm gonna restart the phone. And now we are holding power and volume up buttons, and once we see the logo again, we need to release the power button. And now we're releasing the power button but continue to hold volume up. And now we are in a recovery mode and we can unplug it as well. So after that, to scroll through the menu, use volume down or up buttons like that. And to confirm your choice, you would need to press the power button. So here we need to select this wipe cache partition and confirm by pressing the power button as I said before. Now, you can see this notification that this cannot be undone, so here select yes to confirm, press the power button, and after that you need to confirm this reboot system now, and don't be afraid, your phone will simply turn off and then turn on in a normal mode within a couple of seconds and the cache will be cleared. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.